Mga bata, kung handa na kayo, ating pag-aralan ang Taga-English Words Vocabulary. Sa Tagalog, bata. Sa English, kid. Bata, kid. Tagalog, tatay. English, father. Tatay, father. Tagalog, nanay. English, mother. Nanay, mother. Guro, teacher. Guro, teacher. Pulis, sa English ay police. Pulis, police. Halos pagkaparehas ang tunog, ngunit magkaiba ang kanilang spelling. Pulis, police. Lolo, grandfather. Lolo, grandfather. Lola, grandmother. Lola, grandmother. Ate, sister. Ate, sister. Kuya, brother. Kuya, brother. Tito, uncle. Tito, uncle. Tita, aunt. Tita, aunt. Hardinero, gardener. Hardinero, gardener. Piloto, pilot. Piloto, pilot. Magsasaka, farmer. Magsasaka, farmer. Mangingisda, fisherman. Mangingisda, fisherman. Pari, priest. Pari, priest. Madre, nun. Madre, nun. Bumbero, fireman. Bumbero, fireman. Dentista, dentist. Dentista, dentist. Manlalaro, player. Manlalaro, player. Babae, girl. Babae, girl. Lalaki, boy. Lalaki, boy. Presidente, president. Presidente, president. Mahusay mga bata,